Okay, we're here at Auntie's uncle's house. Huh? Yeah, you lock it. Oh, mate. Hello. Hi. Wait. Talofa. Hi, Auntie. Oh, hi, Sissy. Who else I need to say hi to? No?
Elijah, he's at the
Oh, I already did. So we're just about to have our family local. Dad's brother. It's Dad's younger brother. Aww. Aww. Our cousins. Just a quick munch because they just bought it this morning. Talofa love, everyone. So we just finished. Wow, that is a loud, very. That's a very loud bus. We just finished breakfast here at Uncle Fa'apea and Auntie Toi's house in Vaimoso. I think I just walked to each other. That's the Vaimoso Methodist Church. And the kids just wanted to go explore the
Is that the ball right there?
yeah, that's the bell, babe.
So what did they use to drink?
It's actually really nice weather here. It's a bit wet weather, but it's nice.
Yeah, where's the bell?
Do you want to bring Toese? Toese, so come. So, hey? It's alright, babe. I got him. Toese, so come. Come, honey. Oh, that's so cute. Toese already loves his big cousins. He's been glued to them. Oh, no, honey. I think they only do it on Sundays. Don't do it.
Oh, what?
Oh, yeah. Every day at 6 p.m. I think. That's the SA, I think it is. So yeah. Baby, you happy or sad? Happy. Good girl. Okay, guys. Everyone say hi.
Everyone turn around. Come here.
Toese. Alright, guys. Kumaki Australia.
Illegal.
Illegal.
Oh, this is the Methodist church.
Yeah, that's the Methodist church, like Papa's church, yeah. Oh, so fatty.
maybe check it. Yeah, this one's so funny.
I tell take your glasses off. Take your glasses. So we are at Uncle Fa'apea's house. Look how massive this room is. Big room. Got some photos here of the fams. Very beautiful, huge living area. Another room and another room. We've already. Who is this? Locker. Lock up. We gotta go. We're leaving right now.
Let's go, guys.
I'm gonna go outside. It's beautiful outside. Hey girl, can you take your thing? And then it's outside. Okay. Yeah? That's alright. I think it is in Vekele. Massive yard. And that's the rental that Uncle organised for Fatu. Look how beautiful Uncle's house is. So nice. Massive yard. Okay. Okay. I need to go load our car up. Alright fams, we have had a nap. It's now midday, 12 o'clock. We are behind schedule because I needed to be somewhere at 12 o'clock, but slept in and got ready late, but we're on our way. Anyway, so where Uncle's house is, where we were having a rest, it's all the way up in the mountain. And now we're making our way back down towards town. Oh, so potholes. Yeah, this is what happens when I'm the vlogger. I'm also the driver. So now I'm vlogging and driving at the same time. That's Fatu's car in front of us. We've got Dad guiding us out of here. And yeah. So in Samoa, it's best to have, you know, the locals to guide us around, because Samoa doesn't have, like, I don't even know if the maps work. I heard it works, but I haven't tried it. Oops. Your best maps is the locals. And when I was explaining to my boy cousins where I needed to go, my dad jumped in and be like, oh, it's okay, I'll take them. And then I said to him, Dad, do you know where you're going? And then he's like, I'm from Samoa. Like, of course I know where I'm going. And then everyone started laughing, and I'm like, alrighty then. So yeah. Last time we came on this road earlier, there was a big, massive cow just lying there relaxing. So I really hope it's still there, so the kids can look at it, because they were sleeping. Or well, still sleeping. Have I told them to sleep on the plane, but nah. So now they've come to Samunda and they're like tired as. I'm actually still really tired too, but I feel better because I had a shower. There's a cow. Can you see it?
Where?
Right there. I don't know if it's the same cow though. Hello. The cow's like, I don't know why these stupid people keep weighing my aka. Hey guys. We are just... so Dad's sure we can get money out from here? Yeah, it's Frankie's for MoneyGram. Is that who you sent it with? Yeah. Okay, so we've found our Frankie's in Si'osenga. It looks so nice and big and clean and new.
Dad, the car please, our bag.
Mum, Dad, can you lock the car please? So we're coming to get some mullah.
Yeah.
Okay. You get someone to explain to Dad where they are. It's so nice in here.
That one?
Where can we go to get MoneyGram? Hi guys. So we came to Frankie's supermarket in Vekele to get out our money here at MoneyGram. Very easy, very lovely ladies working at the counter. Anyway, so this man in the blue pants
I was only driving into the driveway, and straight away he's like full on directing me like how to park, and because I know how to park, and then oh my god. If you don't know how to do anything without me, then watch your fingers. Okay, this is what I'm. This is what I mean. How I have to drive and vlog.
Get off that.
Oh, bye. Yeah. Anyways, he was like full on telling me how to park, and I'm like, oh, okay. Like I just listened to what he said, and I was like, and then he started doing it to all the other cars, and I'm thinking, oh, maybe that's his job. Like maybe he's the car park person for this place. I don't know. But yeah, it was really cute. Malo lava uncle. Okay, so look at my passengers. They have literally been sleeping since we got here in Samoa, because this is what happens when I told them sleep on the plane. I said sleep on the plane. When we get there, it's daytime. We don't want to waste the day sleeping. Yeah, mele moa. Lea ngā kameke au skull, yeah man. Okay, we're here at the Airbnb. And maybe the owners are still here. Thank you. Oh, that's cute, see? Guys, we're here at the house. Alright, so we are in Mum and Dad's Airbnb. So there's one room, 2 rooms, 3 rooms. And then I think you got your bathroom at the back there. Oh, there's aircon in every room.
We're leaving for Samoa. Oh wait.
No,
Yeah,
we're going to
which
pick up Auntie Lissa. You know what? I think Auntie Lissa is at the. Oh no.
We're gonna go swim now.
We're leaving
Kino.
now to pick up Lissa.
What?
Is this a day now?
No, I'm going there to pick her up. Is it? Oh my gosh, I don't even know what I'm doing. It looks like it's people's backyard. Oh no, it is a road.
Turn right.
My bad. Cynthia, I can do it if you want. Is everyone okay with the aircon?
You see good.
I'll let Auntie drive. Salofa. So it was easy to come. Can you drive? Yeah.
Oh, you look cute.
See how good and easy that was. It literally bring me to you. So I told them to squeeze at the back. You drive aces. Yeah. Guys, everyone just squeeze in. You right, Dara? You ready to swim? Oh, do you want to sit in the boot?
Yeah.
Do you want to sit with me?
No, I'm gonna be.
Okay. Yeah, you just go. Look, are you going to sit with me? Yeah, only in Samunda. A failure boot. Nah, Zara, you both won't fit. Baby, you go. Zara won't fit. Unless Loka comes. Loka, do you want to sit with baby here? Are you sure you're going to be okay?
Look at that dog.
Yeah. Are you sure you're going to be okay, baby? It's only for like 2 minutes. Oh, baby, you can play with my phone. You can play with my phone since you're sitting in the boot. Watch your feet. Watch your arms. They are? Good? Oh my god. Everyone okay? Oh yeah. Pieces. This is probably the most have been a week. This is a primary school. Beautiful. Yeah, they are. Honestly, I just love how much they take care of their Samoa and just so clean.
So, we just went past college students.
Yeah, the students wearing, you can see what they're wearing. Blue lava and white shirt, or like school uniforms.
There were students over there, but Jordan was still embarrassed.
Continue on Mini Viala Road for 1 kilometre.
Now we're going swimming.
Yeah, now we're gonna go find somewhere to swim. Do you want me to hold it, baby?
Okay.
Oh, they're already swimming there.
I wonder what uniform that is.
Yeah, you say hi.
Good boy, Sile.
You say hi, daughter.
Hi!
Are you Frenchie?
There's some stairs over there.
Jordan, why did you want to say hi?
But if you walk,
Yeah, school girls.
I didn't care, it's not his street. See to the point. Yeah, go Jordan.
So now we are in a village called what?
Savai.
What's it called? This village?
Oh, Leone.
Yeah. Alright, we've come up to a stop sign. So we stop. Oh, there's a Ross. So there's a Ross in America as well. It's like discounted, like, you know, clothes, and it's like a Salvation Army kind of.
Isn't this the road where they like walk around? Like that, like, you know when they did that
Okay, hold on.
64 year
Clear. I just need to make sure I'm driving safely.
This is where they walk.
Continue
Maybe,
to
son.
Patel Street for 800 metres.
Yeah, mate.
So,
right there.
Yeah, this is called Tomesina Hideaway. And now, this is the entrance to Tomesina Resort. So, I feel like Tomesina is like a high. See, look, and that's called a Whare Samoa. Everyone's just lying down and doing what? Oh no, is that a bus stop? Swimming pools for resort guests only. Yeah. Thank you. Good boy, look out, Sile.
In 200 metres, turn left.
Oh, how beautiful.
Hello guys. Hello. Hello.
I didn't show the bus because there was no one in there.
So we just got some Messina and lepers there. They're waiting for their room. Here, here's some. Alright guys, I'll take you
Messina,
down to the
baby.
water.
Messina, ba. We need a Messina.
Come on.
Jordan, say hi. He's kidding.
He's been on his head like.
Now we need a Messina, baby. Going to the beach. Let's just see Jordan one more time. Oi, stop it. But this is nice. That's a nice pool. Oh, there's 2 pools. Oh, there's 3 pools. Yes, a little bit.
Could we just swim you? Oh, the other one, the other one.
But the beach is down there.
No, I don't want to go.
That's an aura thing right now.
No. Why? Because I don't want to.
I want to get to the beach.
Oh, yeah, you guys go. You guys go. Oh, where's the one in that thing?
Leave all your stuff underneath this chair.
Jump for the camera.
Look, come on. Oh my goodness.
Did you really are you getting a haircut?
Huh? Go here first. Go here.
Talking about haircuts.
Baby.
Bro, John, look at me.
We are finally here. Hey, Lico, where?
They should be here soon.
Oh, yeah. We're finally here at Tomisina. I had to get me a cocktail already. Kids are in the pool. Cheers. Oh, yeah. Go record the night. Like, I mean.
So the babies are having a swim. These are a few of Ty's guests and his besties.
Yes.
Dario, that's the best man. Introduce yourself for the vlog. Dario, don't be shy. Go, tell us your relationship with Ty, your name, everything.
I'm his big brother. He's my son. Pretty much my son.
First time in Samoa, Mariah? How are you loving it?
I love it. It's beautiful.
It's good. Would you come back?
Yeah.
Amazing. Larry, that's another one of Ty's best friends, his groomsman. Larry Lofipo. How are you loving Samoa?
It's good.
Yeah? Amazing. Fantastic. And the kids are just swimming. This is what Jenny's kids have been dying to do. They've been literally dying to swim. I don't think they'll be out. It's pretty hot, guys. This looks a lot smaller than I thought it would.
So Mum just got here with her niece. Huh? Yeah, them. The boys and the one girl. Baby, wave. Oh, yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna eat. Boys, look who's here. The stranger. Baby.
Yeah, I such a kid.
That's our long lost brother. That's our long lost brother.
Oh, see what I
think last time Elika saw them, they were like, yeah. They're all little now. Say hi, Uncle. Baby, look. Jayla's dad. Remember Uncle Eric? Remember Jayla? Come on, let's go say hi. Let's go.
Wipe your mouth, baby.
Oh, here, give it, honey. My ear.
How do I? What's going on right now? Okay, there you go. Oh, Anna, do you have the house key for them? She's so big, eh? Oh, Anna, here. Sorry, Mum's phone is. I already set it up. Uncle Eric, Jayla's dad. Yeah.
That's Jayla's daddy.
Yeah, we can't remember him either. Where you go? So we're just having our final meeting with the wedding planner at Messina and the manager. The manager of the wedding. We're now up to the part where we're paying for the boys' room, for the groomsman and the gammon-ass groom. Messina Resort.
There's fish out there. Ain't caught any.
Oh, did you just catch a fish?
Yeah. Oh, I let it go.
Wow. I wanted to come, but how was your experience down at the water and the beach?
Fun.
Yeah,
A lot
enjoyed
of
it?
fishes here than in Australia.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good. It's fun.
Yep. So that was your first experience in a Samoan beach,
Yeah.
and you loved it. Good boy. like I'm gonna slip.
I'm gonna go back in the hallway. Hey? How do you use this one?
Not yet. I didn't bring anything.
From Australia
No, I did from Australia, but I just didn't bring it here.
today.
Yeah.
Go, guys.
You ready? Sorry, my food is a blessed. Where's everyone? John and oh, you're there. Oh, you guys on that side? Oh, the What lucky kids. Oh, sorry. And auntie. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, go sis. My. Sure looking good tonight. Guys, to see. Security.
Where you at? Oh, you got bad.
Oh, hello. Oh, I think my family's already in there.
Yeah. Room 3.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone.
The wedding planners here.
Hi. Oh, Sissy. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Everyone was here.
Jenny, where's your uncle?
They're in the car. They're all wet. They're wet. Hi, guys. They're all wet. No, wait. I don't know. I mean, can you hold this? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going. Yeah, I'll get it. I'm so sorry, everyone. I'm just gonna go and. Okay, I'm so sorry to be the yeah.
You just update.
Oh yeah, I'll get it. Auntie. So we're here with all our West Side cousins, our Samoan cousins. West Side. Hi. On our vlogs. Nah, Tana's late. Oh, thanks. Oh. Not all like. No one invited this guy.
Sorry.
Our DJ. Who'd you come with today? Huh? Oh, okay. Who'd you come with? Say bye. Say bye, darling. Bye, girl. Thank you for buying my suppers. Yeah, you hold the 3 and.
Oh, are you gonna go? Okay. Oh yeah, okay. I'll meet you.
Bye. Now you've changed. Say bye, everyone. Tell them. Like, what are you trying to ignore? Say bye, auntie. Bye, auntie. Bye, Tara. Look at the camera. Say bye. I got mine. I got 3. Yeah, 3 for Ginny. No, because we've got heaps of food at home. And you know this guy over here? He is here's sink. Wait.
Get off.
Yeah, ice the man. It's coconut. Wow. Huh? That's sugar fatu. That's the house keys. Yes, that's our washing. Have you guys done your spray?
Yeah.
We're gonna go have some ice cream. It's like 11 p.m. Locker misses out, John misses out, unlucky. And we're gonna go drop off our laundry. Good. Why? Where? Oh my gosh, let's go.
Yeah, so there's some grass. Yeah, we need Jerry out here. Or whatever the.
Hurry.
So guys, we're in the car. Oh.
Uncle!
No.
Like where?
Uncle!
So we're going to
Go
get
in this car.
ice cream.
And other kids can go in Fitz's car.
Uncle Ty's coming, I think. Dad's over there eating juice and chips. I'm over here.
Oh,
Just
some of
finished
you
my
go in Mama's car.
Cheetos. My mom's over
Sit
here
Oh, can I see you?
going to
Yeah.
drive.
Do you want to jump in Fitz's car? 2 of you.
I'm alright.
Just have a safety reason for the shoes.
Right. Bogan, man.
Gavin?
He can't come into the shop because he's got no shoes. Yeah, hold this. The keys. Anyways, it's currently 11:20. We're like, oh, let's go have some ice cream. Let's go for a late night, drive. Yeah, we went to 3 different ice cream shops and they're all closed. I did not think that they would close their ice cream shops that early. Okay, wait, it's not really, but just thought that things will be open late. Oh, we need our wallet. Alright, here we go again, me vlogging while I drive because no one else is vlogging.
Up to you, mate. There's no cameras here, mate.
Wait, I can't even, I don't even know if it'll show you.
There you go.
Wow.
Got the guy that didn't even marry.
Yeah.
This is your box night, eh?
RSA,
No.
bro.
Your man?
Get out of here. Get me back home.
So yeah, we're just going for a drive to see what there is to see at like nighttime in Samoa. Yeah, okay, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, look at all these dogs. We're gonna hit a dog one day. Please don't be me. So many stranded dogs. Ragdoll. Oh my gosh, but I just realized something. We're supposed to take the washing.
Yeah, let's get out.
Yeah, so kaya ako may makukamali. What did Mum say?
She's like, we should all go out one night, and I was like,
Mum, Fatso just said, Mum said that we should all go out one night, Galafai. Yeah, kids, this is naughty, be. Yeah? Kalala, like, oh yeah. Like it's got no shoes, what do you mean?
Oh my gosh, right now. This is the moment of life. Alright. Alright guys. See you guys. Yeah, we gotta take these guys home.